someone is a victim of family violence, it's okay to act on it. You could save a life.
If I get hurt, who's going to walk the dog? Who's going to take Gran to her appointment? Who's going to take the tamariki to karate training? Who's going to organise the potluck dinner at school? Who's going to give me a bath?
Have a and ask yourself, if you get hurt, who gets harmed? Find out more at acc.co.nz.
Tau mārere here here I te riri. Ngāti Hine FM.
Ngā marae o te kāinga. A place I like to call home.
Maungarongo.
I maungarongo ai te ingoa I runga o ngā kōrero I pā ki ngā hapu nei. I te ronga o Kawiti e pupu ana te riri, ka haere mai ia ki te hohou I te rongo I wainganui ngā hapu nei, te taua I te rangi Māori. Nā tēnei ka puta te ingoa maungarongo, I te maunga mai o Kawiti te rongo ki Poroti. Ko te awa o te hapu, ko Waipau, te maunga ko Whatitiri.
Maungarongo.
Ngā marae o te kāinga. A place I like to call home.
Iwa te kai mai wai rono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kai mai wai ra tahi tu atu I hikurangi more nei tiwi. Ana e mana!
Ana e mana! Yes! Who's that voice? That's me. I'm back. And I got hay fever in my voice. My nose sounds blocked. Anyway.
Oh, girl!
Move over. That's already my voice.
yeah. Got to have 2 blocked noses up in here.
Yeah. It's another day. Hey,
Okay,
roll it
freestyle.
out. Hey,
Show us.
Hey.
twerk,
Yeah.
Fuck it, move it.
Hey, here we go.
Okay, do it.
I've got no
4, 6, 7, 8.
in the studio. Here we gotta go. Hey, it's Phoenix. Yeah, we fix. Yeah, we fix.
Yeah.
It's Phoenix. He's in the mix, yo. He wants to come over and make it like he's cold.
Yo,
That's good. Yo,
Yeah.
and we'll stop it there.
Oh, sorry about it.
Now we're not on a high. That's what I meant.
Oh, welcome back.
Yeah, I'm back.
yeah, so cold to have you back.
Yeah.
So
I like how you're a yo Cole. Morena.
Oh, here we go.
Morena.
Yes,
Morena.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah,
Hi,
I'm good.
How are you? Hi.
I've been out glamping.
Give it.
We're
Give us a
glamping.
review. Yes.
So we're out at the Adrenaline Park, you know,
Yes.
where they have the New Zealand's largest inflatable.
I've never been there, but
Yeah.
it looks
Inflatable.
cool.
It sounded like I said it weird. Inflatable. Largest inflatable like adventure playground thing. So we stayed there, and we stayed it because they've got these like big dome glamping tent
It
things.
looks great.
It was mean. Like it was actually mean as.
Is it like a hotel where you just get to turn up, like you don't bring anything? Or?
You still need like food and utensils and
Oh,
stuff.
yeah. And like not
you have to
linen
cook?
or...
Nah, you have to cook.
Oh.
You gotta cook. Yeah. It's like more camping than glamping probably. But so you bring your own food, bring your own utensils. You can still bring your own blankets and that. Jen brought her own because she's like all about it. But it was mean.
Are we on mattresses? What are we?
Yeah,
what are we
it's
sleeping
like
on?
there's like in the one we were on was 2 queens, like just like bed base bed.
Oh, nice.
And then there's like so there was that in there, and then the hammock in there, and like it's real flash. Even like the front doors it's like coded, like
Oh, no.
you need a code to get in. Like it's like
Yeah, proper security.
yeah, like in the inside of the dome tent is like wood floors and like
Right.
yeah, it's like
It
real
looked
flash.
pretty lush.
Yeah, it's pretty mean. And then like because the lake's there, you can paddle around on the supboards and
Is it hot inside?
Yeah.
yeah. Through the day it was hot.
Okay.
Yeah, through the day it was real hot inside, but then through the night it got a bit chilly.
Just like a normal tent would be.
Yeah, just
Yeah,
like
yeah.
normal tent, like hot air through the day, and then like chilly at night. You could feel that it's not insulated.
Are there other people around? Like other people? staying?
There were, but they didn't show up till like later yesterday. So there was people staying last night that didn't stay the night before. And then because the park's still open, like during the day, so there was like, but it was like empty. Like there was only like 20 people on the park.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
When you go to look?
Yeah.
Because that sounds
Well,
cool.
That's pretty mean.
We're scoping it out because the hotel life and myself, and I know you, Luke, is real.
I'm very
So when you say glamping, like I'm like, What are we talking? Are we talking a
Yeah.
mattress on the ground? Like,
It's two queen, like it's queens, and then the one we were on was right on the water, and it's got like a big deck out the front and that, so you can hang out on the water.
what I did see of your stats, though, that looked very cool.
Yeah, no, it was mean. It was mean. Shout out to the Rouse whānau who owned that place. And Cody, who's a mate of ours, he looked after us while we were there. So shout out to Cody Rouse, you're the man, bro.
Cody Rouse.
There you go, and you don't have to go far. It's just Hikurangi.
Yeah, it's just out of Carmel. Yeah.
Wow, I didn't even know that.
Yeah, it was mean as. I got heaps of people. Where's that?
Yes, I was like, where is that?
Because I put a little video up on my Instagram of my son in the hammock, and everyone's like, "Where the heck is that?" I'm like, "Whangarei, bro."
Glasgow.
That's cool. That's
Yeah.
In Glasgow, we're at a festival.
It's the Fireman. It's the Fireman
We're at
Festival. What's that one?
I
Glastonbury.
don't know.
Fire Festival.
That's great.
Yeah, it was mean.
Coachella.
Yeah.
How are you, Marcy?
I'm good. I did nothing. I mean, yeah, just here in Whangarei.
Oh, God.
How are you, though?
I'm tired.
You went on a bit of a trek.
We did actually. My mum and I, Mama Bird, we went back down to Tamaki Makaurau and went to the premiere screening of House of Gucci.
Oh.
It was so good.
So good. Give us a review. Like, are we have to see it, or is it just?
Well, look, if you're
if it comes out.
if you're a fashion person and you know Gucci and you know what because it's a true story, so I knew what had happened, but it's brilliant. However, there are people in the theatre who obviously don't know their fashion and don't know what Gucci was about, how it started, and were laughing throughout things. And I was thinking, they're laughing and they actually don't get it because this is actually a true story. Oh no, they think it's a comedy and it's not. But then, yeah. And
Why?
then,
What was funny? That wasn't funny.
well, just the fashion choices. But when you watch the thing, you're like, that's freaking cool because that's what Gucci is now.
Yeah.
But then they don't get it.
They come out and you look like stupid.
Yeah, there was a part where, there was just a great piece and I was like, oh, this is great. And there was a couple of us that got it.
Yeah.
But there was a couple going, that's ridiculous. That's stupid. Who would wear that shit? And I'm like, it's Gucci. Anyway, it's a great story. Brilliant acting. Lady Gaga. Holy heck.
Lady Gaga.
Does
Adam
Gucci
Driver.
happen to sing as well?
No. No, Gucci is not a singing musical,
Okay.
but it's a very good movie. And if you're a fashion person and you know Gucci and you know this story and then you know what it's like now, boom, go see it. It comes out New Year's Day. And
if you don't, go see it and you'll know.
yeah, pretty much.
Very cool.
I would go see it again. It's a little bit raunchy too, so don't take
Oh.
the kids.
I'm gonna watch Gucci. I love fashion. All of a sudden.
Raunchy fashion. Yes, with my mum.
Well, I went with my mum, and we were like, "Oh dear, oh."
Yeah.
How was the drive to Auckland?
Oh, that's another thing. No
Work has been done.
no checkpoint, nothing
Oh, okay.
on either end.
Oh, true.
Right.
Zero, no one there. We were like, because in the paper it said they were going to be downsizing the checkpoint. Yeah, well, they literally downsized it so much there's nothing there.
Oh,
God.
true. They're all like, "Oh, one of us should take the day off." They're like, "Yeah," and then they all thought they were taking the day off.
Yeah, we were waiting. Thought we would get our little passes ready to come in through Waipu. Nothing.
Kahuri.
Nowhere at all through Auckland.
Oh.
What about the highway by Warkworth? Is that still being worked on, or did they take a break too?
Yeah, so when we got towards it, I thought, oh, this must be finished now. They've had 4 months.
Well, I don't think it's finished like
We
till
don't,
ages,
but-
but are they still working on it?
Yeah, no, it's still like if nothing was touched. The roads are worse.
It looks like Waiwera.
What about
Dome
Valley?
Valley. Yeah, no.
Oh, come
We
on,
got-
guys!
On the way home, we got there was 4
It's supposed to be the
lollipop stops. Yeah, diversion. Yeah, it was still hard out. So no, if you're going to Auckland, I would suggest you travel through the day if you want to get through that because there's no traffic. There's no what's it called? Roadworks during the day. It's all at night after 8
Kia
o'clock,
ora, yeah, no, that's right.
and it's just stop.
That's what happened
stop.
before lockdown.
Yeah.
Gosh.
But yes, no, the Gooch was great. Go see it.
Gooch.
Gooch.
The Gooch.
Probably shouldn't shorten that.
It's funny. It's good. It's like wow, and then because you know the story, you're like, oh, this did happen, and then it's very sad, and it's very
Oh, so everything all in one.
all in one. Yeah, but it's a true
Kia ora.
story. So yeah.
All right. Well, looks like Auntie Pauline was following you.
Yeah.
Oh, what did she say? I can't see
She's
that.
in Orake. Orake to Whangarei, 2 hours and 15 minutes.
Oh, yes, we should have stopped for a cup of Tino.
There you go.
Bit of a cuddle and Tino.
I tēnā wā kia ngā whakarunga tō tātou te tiro ki ngā tohu huarere. Ia ngā kōrero.
Yes.
Meat service.
Today in Te Whangarei Pai Kohi Kohi Ngā Kūtai. We can do that again. The weather today right here in Te Whangarei Pai Kohi Kohi Ngā Kūtai.
That was terrible. I went on the same.
And we'll do it again.
No.
And also the weather today here in
no.
Te Whangarei Pai Kohi Kohi Ngā Kūtai.
That was the same again.
That was
nice. Carry on.
The weather here in Te Whangarei Pai is currently 16.2 degrees. It should feel like 17. That's a bit weird because usually it's quite close to the number. It's a high though of 26 degrees. Now it's been a high of 26 degrees every other day, and yesterday was not 26 degrees. It was 20. No, my car said it was 30. So I don't know.
Did you have free sauna?
It was hot tanga rama.
There was a point in because we were obviously out at Adrenaline Park yesterday. There was a point yesterday.
We know because you weren't here.
I was glamping. I'm better than you. But there was a point yesterday we all sat in the car with the aircon on. We were like,
oh my god!
Bro, we were like, because there was nowhere to escape. Like
glamping with you,
sitting in the car.
Oh, you didn't tell us that.
Yeah, because the dome was so hot. We had like a shade to sit under, but it was still too hot. So I was like, and my baby, she was like overheating.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm taking this girl in the car with the aircon. I turned the aircon on, went up, and then like half an hour, just right. Because she was like, when babies get too hot, they get grumpy, but there's nothing really you can do about it. And I took her in there. She was loving life. She was like, oh my god, happy
so
again.
good.
Yeah.
Well, the brothers out on the water.
Yeah. Oh yeah. They lived
course.
in the water. They didn't even know it was that hot. They came back in,
hot.
burnt face, burnt shoulders. Like, whoops.
Well, it's another
Parents
day
of the year.
Yes. Get your aircon on because it's another day of 26, which is actually 29 degrees. Tamakima COVID. It is 26 degrees for you as well, and it's a high humidity of, it says 87, but it's lies. It's about 98%.
Kia tai o Whangarei, high
I
tide.
haven't finished yet.
Oh, bro.
also-
What else have we got to say?
Partly cloudy, and it sunsets at 8:39. Kia ora.
Yucks. You finished?
Oh, yes. Go hard.
Kia tai o Whangarei. High tide is at 10:30 this morning. Low tide at 4:30. High tide at 10:30 again.
Oh, wow. Yes, because you were in the water about 10:30, or was it
No,
9
it wasn't.
o'clock?
It was like 9 o'clock. It was nice.
It looked great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The sun was
Did
still
you do
in the
Maramataka
sky.
yesterday?
Of course.
Of course.
What was it?
It was a Jay Green voice. Sexy Maramataka. No, yesterday, what was it?
I don't know, because I was singing for you.
I just want to make
Rako Nui?
Oh, yeah.
The one
yes,
after
it was.
Rako
It was
Nui?
Rako Nui.
Oh yeah, sweet.
Because we were doing this the whole... I was, anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's that?
Rako Nui?
It looks like Rako Iti.
Rako Tupuhi.
Are you ready now?
Yeah,
You
I'm
to
ready
join
now.
our-
I'm ready now.
okay,
I'm ready. Let's
What
talk
is
about
it,
Hina.
Siri?
Let's talk about Hina.
Sexy
Does
voice,
she
please.
Kia ora, Hina.
Oh, wow! Holy heck!
Oh.
Pull my pants.
Oh, wow. Okay, man.
That's another
Nah,
level
start
of
again.
great.
Yeah, turn it off.
Yeah.
Did you-
Oh, wrong effect.
Where did that come from? Okay, here we go.
That
You
comes
need to
from,
calm down.
that comes from Block Nose hay fever tanga.
Kōrero.
Hina.
Are you ready?
Kia ora. Tēnā anō tātou. Nau hoki mai ki tēnei wahanga. E kia nei ko Maramataka. Sexy Maramataka. Ko te wahanga o tēnei marama. E ai ki a Hina herself. Ko Takirau. Ko Takirau te wahanga o tēnei marama. I kōrero atu ki ai aina po. Koina tana kōrero ki au. Ko Takirau. He maha, he tini ngā kai, engari he iti. Say, ai, he maha, he tini ngā kai. Engari, ahakoa te tini. He iti.
Wairu
Takiro.
Oh, nice, Ian.
Oh, is that what it is today?
Kowai. 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 Ko te tau mai rā ki te whenua. Kowai. Kowai.
Yeah.
If you know, you know.
You know.
If you know, you know.
Absolute.
96, Takiro.
That's right.
Thank you very much. That's our tohu huarere. Mō tēnei wā e te iwi. But don't forget, very shortly we're going to get into our e mara game for this morning, and as well as our big prize competition, Wahanga Mō Te Rangi Nei.
12 days of Christmas. That's right.
We're giving away 6 days so far.
Yo.
We got
We're
more to
fitting
go.
6 days now into the next 3.
Oh,
That means we're just giving them away. It's got to go. It's got to go. So, who's going to win today? Tania Tuai, Tiwi Tania Tuai.
Ai, ko hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohi, we have Rob Ruha with Taira. And then after that we have Eare Mara. No reira, kaua huri ki te hana ke whanau, ngā TN FM.
A tēnā whakarongo maira, whakarukea o taera. Kia tangi hea te umere, kia kohiti te marama, kia ngā oko te moana, kia tawa i nawa, ana, ana. Papa tere, tere i ne ma, papa tere, tere ta mama, papa tere, tere i ara, tere, whakarukea o taera, taera, taera ia, whakarukea o taera, taera, taera ia, o wakasasali maira, e taki taki na, whakere paua, e tuki tuki na, whakarukea o taera, taki, taera, taera ia. Whakarukea te tonga, semi semi mai te nota, oa i ana te ki, te awe awe, te awe awe, tai piti toru e, hei ti tai ti e te tai rawhiti au e, mata atua, te arawa, taki timu, toko maru kura hau o tainu. Papa tere, tere i ne ma, papa tere, tere ta mama, papa tere, tere i ara, tere, whakarukea o taera, taera, taera ia, whakarukea o taera, taera, taera ia, o wakasasali maira, e taki taki na, whakere paua, e tuki tuki na, whakarukea o taera, taki, taera, taera ia.
Oh.
Whakarukea o taera, taera, taera ia, whakarukea o taera, taera, taera ia, o wakasasali maira, e taki taki na, whakere paua, e tuki tuki na, whakarukea o taera, taki, taera, taera ia, whakarukea o taera, e whakarukea taera, taera ia, e whakarukea o taera, taera, taera ia, o wakasasali maira, e taki taki na, whakere paua, e tuki tuki na, whakarukea o taera, taki, taera, taera ia, taki taki, tuki tuki na, taki taki.
He mea tautoko
Nā te manga.
Iwa te kaumā iwa i ra tahi tuatu i Hikurangi, more nei te iwi te mito te rohe, Ngāti Hine FM. He kehua ke roto nei.
Yes, apparently, ko konei tētahi kehua, because your mic just keeps magically turning on by itself.
Hard. Obviously, a kehua that likes my
That's
voice.
weird.
Thank you. Tēnā koe.
Yeah. We're like looking around, like wondering, is someone in the
Someone
studio?
pranking us. Are we on punk?
Yeah.
We're getting punked.
If we were on Punked, I hope they would play a more elaborate prank. That's
Yeah.
What a low budget prank.
Yeah.
It's the Iwi Radio punk.
Yeah.
Unbelievable now.
Yeah. Because the mic just kept turning on, and Marcy's just like, "Oh, mic's on!"
Get out of here, Mike Ghost.
Yeah. Oh, Mike Tucky.
Alright, it's iwi. Ko tai tātou ki tēnei wāhanga. Papaira atu o te moa? O te ata. I was going to say o te morena.
Oh, te morena.
Hey, come on. Turn my mic off.
Boom.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, Mara, it's a chance for us to wake up with Luke's
What you got to say?
favourite song game.
Oh, yes.
Hollywood.
Now, I know you're thinking, is that what it's called?
Yeah.
No,
Let's say-
you're thinking of.
Yes, you're thinking
Yeah.
of.
You say, I'm tired.
Yeah.
And then you say, oh, you're talking about that thing when you get a job.
Kia ora. No, that's hired.
Yeah.
There we go.
We've done this for, we haven't done this for ages.
Yeah, no, we
Yeah.
haven't done this in a while.
Let's
So let's
check
try it, eh?
Right.
I'll go to Marcia. Marcia, you go to Luke. Luke,
Oh,
you go to me.
okay.
Yeah?
All right.
Bye-bye.
Wait, delete the koto.
Oh,
Cool.
well,
Alrighty
yeah,
then.
well, here we go.
Okay. I just say the word, eh? Let's go with that. I'm tired.
Oh, no, you're thinking about when you get a job.
No, that's hired. You're thinking about. Oh, do I say what I say now?
Is that right? Or do I say more?
Yeah, you gotta say
Okay.
it.
Oh,
clear.
here.
No, you're thinking of what?
Cax!
No, you say, no, that's hired. Oh,
Oh, you have to say more.
yeah. Oh, yeah, I have to say
Yeah.
more. I gotta make a new one. All right, here we go. I'm talking about, that's how you start.
Yeah.
That's right. I'm talking about that thing Luke's wearing on his head.
No, that's a hat. I'm talking about the pet that Mum has.
No, that's a cat. I'm talking about that thing Phoenix has in the morning. Oh, that's a good one. Oh,
In the morning? No.
come on, think about it. I'd say it all the time.
That's hey, you're setting me up here.
Yes.
That's a wrap. I have a wrap, salad wrap every morning.
Kia ora.
That's a wrap. I'm talking about the what you sit on center.
No, that's a lap. I'm talking about Nikki. Is it Nikki? What's it? Nah, it's not Nikki. It's
This is really waking up.
what's the other Nicki Minaj and
Cardi B.
Cardi B song?
No, that's a whap.
Yes, salad wrap.
I'm talking about. What is that?
You've used that one already.
Whap. I'm talking about that thing you do when you want to congratulate the band after a performance.
Congratulate the band. Congratulations, great performance. No, that's a clap. I'm talking about what Marcia feels like giving you sometimes.
No, that's a slap. I'm talking about what water comes out in the basin.
No, that's a tap. I'm talking about the things birds use to fly.
Oh no, that's flap. I'm talking about the abbreviation for bacon, lettuce, avocado, tomato.
No, that's a black. I'm talking about the thing on top of your head.
Oh, that's a hat.
No,
But I'm
it's
talking
not.
about What is it then?
Well, yeah, it is. But it's not
I'm
what I was
talking
thinking.
about that thing, other thing Phoenix does in the morning that starts with the S.
No, that's a scrap. So I'm a scrapper. Have a fight. Have my salad wrap and a scrap. No, that's scrap. I'm talking about the things you wear those noisy shoes for.
No, that's a strap.
No, the noisy shoes.
Oh, the noisy
that you
shoes.
dance in.
Oh, that's
Dance?
tap.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the things that people set for rats.
That's a trap.
Ah.
I'm talking about the thing.
Now you lost.
Excuse me? I'm talking about the other thing Phoenix does in the morning that starts with the S.
Nah,
Oh.
you lost.
He hasn't got it yet.
No, he has got it.
You said that one
Because
already.
he's diverted
Ah,
it twice.
That's
You can do it. You can do it.
splat.
yeah.
I bet it did.
That's oh, yuck.
I know what you're
splat.
thinking. You got it.
That's exactly what I wanted.
Yeah,
Splat.
that's exactly it.
All right, let's go. One more round. Let's start again.
Okay.
Let's go. Quick fire. We'll try to make it
Quick. You
quick.
got it. If you
Fast,
have to
go.
think about it, yeah.
Here we go.
You're out, Luke.
I've been quite odd. Thank you.
Yeah. I'm talking about the thing that I'm sitting on.
No, that's a seat. I'm talking about that thing that you eat.
No, that's a what?
Seat in
Seat.
something that you eat.
Beet root? No,
No,
I don't know
you're
what that
out.
one is. What's a seat? What's a seat one?
Something that you eat that's sweet.
Not seat. He said seat.
Yes. So what's the answer to this one? You're thinking about no, that's a seat. You're
Something-
thinking about a
Something,
Something
you can
that
eat.
you eat.
no. I don't know.
Meat.
I was going to say treat.
Well,
Your
anything.
profile's like
You're
You two.
nuts.
Here we go. Let's go
That was
fast.
terrible.
Me and you must fast. Let's go. Let's go.
go.
We will go with the same. Are we going with the same one, or we changing?
No, you change.
Okay. I'm talking about the opposite of cold.
No, that's hot. I'm talking about what you use a rope to do.
No, that's a knot. I'm talking about what you cook spaghetti in.
No, that's a
Oh.
pot. I'm talking about where you put your baby in.
No, that's a cot. I'm talking about when you leave food out of the fridge.
No, that's rot. I'm talking about what you abbreviation of a Rottweiler dog.
No, that's a rot.
It's the same answer.
It's not the same thing.
I'm talking about that big dog in the children's book.
Oh, no, that's Spot. I'm talking about when you ask questions, you say,
What? No, that's what I'm talking about. The American food tater.
Spots. I'm talking about when you're planning to do something in a story.
Ooh.
It's like, do.
No, that's the plot. I'm talking about the opposite of get.
No, that's God. I'm talking about when a horse is walking.
Oh no, that's trot. I'm talking about there's have and then have.
And there's not. I'm talking about te reo or te tai tokero.
Ah no, that's
They have no social life.
trot. That's trot. I'm talking about when
Here
you
we
the
go.
opposite of a little.
No, that's a lot. I'm talking about te waka or te tai tokero.
Oh no, that's not talking about the phone.
No. So you said trot. Because that's
Oh,
te reo
to
or te
waka.
tai.
Oh, that's what? Oh yeah, you won.
Kia ora.
That was good.
Right. Kia ora no tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Very shortly we'll tell you all info about
12 Days of Christmas!
So stick around. Here noi nai nei. Here's Stan Walker. Let's go. Think of me. And him and him.
Yeah,
Te
think
are
of
e
us.
mara.
Yeah, they're about to see FM.
Sitting here alone in this empty room with memories of us still on the wall.
My mic.
They all tell a story of what we used to do up until the day then you were gone. And there's something that I'm dying to let you know. I regret the day I ever let you go. So if you're with somebody else while I'm here all by myself, and he's not the one, you got it wrong. Girl, think of me. Oh, think of me. If you're lying in this bed, but it's me that's in your head, then there's still a chance I can be your man. Just think of me, baby, just think of me. Tell me what to do to make it up to you, 'cause I don't know a way to turn back time. I am just a man that's so in love with you, but girl, I get it right with one more try. Is there still a part of you that wants to know? I've been hurting since the day I let you go. So if you're with somebody else while I'm here all by myself, and he's not the one, you got it wrong. Girl, think of me. Oh, think of me. If you're lying in this bed, but it's me that's in your head, then there's still a chance I can be your man. Just think of me. Oh, think of me. Do you think of me at night when I'm not by your side? Am I stopping you from falling asleep? Hey, in the morning when you wake up, am I who you dreamed of? Tell me how you're thinking of me. Hey, so if you're with somebody else while I'm here all by myself, and he's not the one, then you got it wrong. Oh, think of me. Oh, think of me. If you're lying, yeah, then you can't get me out of your head. Oh, still a chance I can be your man. Just think of me. Oh, you gotta do it, baby. Just think of me.
Tikai mai iwa I rei nei te mita o te rohe Ngāti FM whakarohea kia hau. Think of me, Steve. I tēnei wā, ko tai tātou ki
12 days of Christmas!
Bring us back.
Oh yeah, I
That'd be
will.
great.
Bring it back. Hoki mai e te rotu e.
It's the most. That's right. Time
Of the year.
We've given away lots of prizes. Our winners this week, last week, being freaking great. We've got a few more prizes to go.
That's right, and just yesterday, Te Hiwi Preston
That's right.
walked away with some Birdman merch.
Oh, yes.
Woo! We've still got Make My Fat Cry merchandise. Can't wait. But we've still got Heartier merchandise, Common Grounds Fitness,
Yes.
Key voucher, Pack and Save voucher,
Ngā awe
Our dinner crew.
a
Let's go.
week's worth of our favourite pies.
Oh, yeah. And then dinner with the crew proudly
great.
catered to you by Fat Boy
Oh, no,
Barbecue.
we're going to do it like this now.
Proudly not catered to you.
No, definitely catered to
Hey,
you.
Proudly
Hi.
catered to you.
Fat Boy Barbecue! Yeah, fatty boy! That's how we
Oh,
have to
okay,
do
here
it.
we go. Proudly catered to you by
Oh, Fat Boy Barbecue! Yeah, fatty boy!
Yeah, I like that because he runs that business called
Fat Boy Barbecue! Yeah, fatty boy!
Yes.
That's for you and 4 friends plus
Yes.
our crew on January the 21st.
That's
Friday the
yes, that's
21st.
That's called Toka Te Rā. No
Yeah.
reira, if you can't make it, then Wow, sorry about it.
Yeah, then we'll bring 4 of our family.
Yeah, but
Yes.
you definitely want to make it.
Yes.
But that's the date that Fat Boy Barbecue, fatty boy, can do the barbecue on.
Kia ora.
Friday, the 21st of Jan. But hey, we're going to get into that later on
That's
on the show. Can't
So,
wait.
if I was you, I'd go onto our social media pages right now at Aare Mara and follow the instructions. All you got to do is share, like, and tag your friends. Easy as that. If you've done that already, you are still in the draw. Let's
Yes,
go.
you're still in the draw. And so, like we said before, too, every time someone else wins, they get pulled out, which increases your chances of winning. So,
Kia ora.
we still got how many prizes to give away?
I don't know. Too many.
Heaps. In the next 3 days,
Let's go.
we're giving away like 6
Team.
prizes in the next 3 days or something.
Here,
Let's
heaps,
go.
I don't
didn't
know.
they?
Here heaps. So there's still heaps of chances to win. Finally, you got to be in it to win it, though. Get on that Instagram page, Facebook page, follow the instructions, do what you got to
Pretty
do.
easy. And look, some
Easy.
great people have won some great things. We've given away the merchandise yesterday. We gave away the Mo Design wrapping paper.
Yep. Merchandise.
Pilates.
Central Core, Pilates, merchandise from
Sand.
Soil and Sand,
Yes.
My Taiao.
Brilliant.
Hey, you get a
And
prize.
Hello
You get a
Pickle.
prize.
And Hello
Hello
Pickle, that's
Pickle
right.
gave a prize.
That's right. Kia tonu mai e tiwi.
Yes.
I tēnei wā, topical news.
Oh, I've got, yes.
Let's cross live to the streets of Whangarei, where we've got topical news. Thank you, Luke.
That's
How's it
right.
going out there on the street?
That's right, Marcia, and welcome back, Phoenix, to the show. It's great to have you in the control room today. Marcia and Phoenix, I do have some topic. I recall back in September during the lockdown of the Tamakima COVID that there was the man from the Marokopa
Aye.
that ran away with his 3 children on a bushwalk
yes.
and never came back for 3
Yes,
weeks.
that's right. Yeah.
Well, he's at it again.
With the kids.
He has gone missing for now a week.
That's not missing.
He's gone. Well, he's got bail conditions, you see, and the bail conditions are don't go too far because obviously there's more to the story than the rest of the public know.
Yeah.
However, just this morning, the police have released some information saying he currently hasn't done anything illegal yet, but he has been missing now for 7 days with the same children, and he has gone in dense bush, but he hasn't made any contact to say where he is,
Yeah.
when will you be home. So it sort of seems like a bit of a deja vu, but he's currently away with his 3 children in dense bush. If you see these people anywhere, here they are.
Okay.
Because they were going to charge him with like
Correct, wasting police time.
wasting police time, like resource and that.
Yes.
What, like, oh man.
So the police confirmed today that they are making inquiries to establish the location of the 34-year-old man who has said he's got experience with the bush and but following reports, the male has breached his court-ordered conditions and bail.
They're not
There are no
going anywhere.
immediate concerns for their safety. However, he needs to come home because he's going to go too far out of his boundary.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
so
that's-
that's some topical news. It's like deja vu again.
Yeah,
Wasting police time.
Yeah, it's buzzy though, because theoretically he's not doing or done anything wrong. Not that we know of, like other than just disappearing into the bush without telling anyone. But so really, he's gone camping without telling anyone.
Again,
Yeah.
yes.
Again.
So it kind of seems like,
A waste of time.
well, we don't know if there's actual criminal stuff happening. Maybe there is, but from where we're looking, like, why is he being charged for going camping? Like,
Yeah, because there's
someone
more
goes-
to it than I think.
yeah, well, that's,
Yeah.
that must be the question.
And
Because
wasting
otherwise,
time.
like, like, well, wasting time, but it wasn't him that wasted
Yeah,
your time.
true.
It was the people that run you up.
Yeah.
He was fine. Yeah, him and his
Yeah,
kids were
you
fine.
guys panicked and then created this whole search.
Yeah,
So he
so
didn't actually ask for that.
charge
That's
those
right.
people. Nah.
So you
That,
see,
yes,
he's-
but that is the Tironga that we see.
Yeah, that's what we
Correct.
see. So there must be something else happening why they're pursuing it. So
We want to know.
We want to know.
Let's
Deja
ring up
vu.
Mario.
Yeah, we should. Yeah, he's been gone
Yeah.
for a week.
he
now.
just wants to live the hunt for the wilder people life.
Pretty
you know?
much.
Yeah.
The water people.
There was a
Ah.
piece in the article that says
Got
he's
3
very much a land
Ricky
kind of
Bakers.
bush guy, live forage.
Yeah.
So that's what they're assuming. But because he's gone for a week and hasn't made any contact with his wife,
Yeah.
they're
Oh,
going, "What the fuck?"
oh my gosh, one of they. Yeah.
Fuck.
Close
No, you
enough.
need to get
It's
out.
close enough.
You're in the bin, mate.
Anyway.
Yeah. We're going to send a search party for you. Hey, come on. All right.
Come on.
I said the fluke. Anyway, your topical news today.
My topical news, it says don't buy your kids more toys if they've already got toys.
I reckon.
Like, hey, I'm not saying it. This article is saying it. Don't come at me.
Yeah, no, I agree.
It says the problem with having too many toys is that, of course, toddlers just don't care about them
Yeah.
as much as they do. Like, and the stimulation
Get rid of
is
this.
just there's too much, so then they're just stimulated.
Yeah.
I agree. Get rid of it.
Yeah, nah,
Over it.
I don't.
Over
You
toys.
don't need
Well,
them.
like I like what you guys did. It was very clever.
Yeah.
Made like a big home jungle thing.
For our baby's birthday, Jen,
That's
it was
cool.
actually Jen. Jen made like a wooden play gym.
Yeah.
Because we were going to buy one. We looked at it. We were like, oh, it's like $400 or $500 for a wooden play gym. Jen's like to my dad, we can make this. He's like, yeah. And so they bought the bits for like $40 and made it.
Oh,
Took
beautiful.
them like a couple of hours. They whipped it up real fast. Now it's mean.
Yes, and I also saw like
that.
on a post the other day. Look, I've got no kids, so you can at me at any time you want. And it said, "What should I get my 1-year-old?" And I was thinking, nothing. But like, let him open everybody's presents.
Yeah.
because he'd love that.
Yeah. I know. It would
And
just
he'd be like, "Yeah,
it would just take a very, very long time.
yeah, true.
But 1-year-olds, like, I don't know.
Or you could wrap up
Get them the same thing you got them
paper.
ages ago.
Yeah.
Just wrap it up again. They don't know.
Wrap up the wrapping paper.
Yeah.
I'd love it.
When we had Rain, like, because it's your first, you go real over the top. Jen had a 6-month party for him.
Wow.
And then his 1-year party was over the top. All our kids, like, first kid 1-year party over the top, second one little less, third one just cake.
Oh, look, we've got Pauline up, but they know.
Yeah.
Get it, Rake. Rake is very good go to in our whānau.
Yeah.
Is Rake?
That's
right.
right. With
Use
your
it.
name on it. My dad actually carved my boys to
that's
Po
cool.
Whenua. Yeah, they're mean. They're real good.
Here's it, Rake. Don't use them.
yeah. I think Titohi's used ours a couple of my kids ones a couple of times. He's like, I love it. It's so light. It's fast.
Yeah, so I think the main message is whether you buy it or not, just don't go out of your means. It's iwi.
Yeah. Oh, and it's buying those. It's buying like it's staying away
Ferrari
from
cars.
fast.
Yeah, buy your own gift.
What's the
for yourself?
like like spending all that money on Kmart, which is
Oh,
like
yeah.
one of the biggest kind
Yeah,
of
yeah.
consumerism type of spaces.
Polluters.
Yeah.
It's going to last
Not
not that
ethically
long.
sourced. Just buy local.
Yes.
Yeah,
Support local businesses. Buy all local stuff. New Zealand owned, New Zealand born and raised, all of that.
Give aroha time.
Ah,
Pai tērā too.
wow.
That's
Like-
nice.
Like you did at the glamping. Hair time tērā.
Yeah,
Time.
true,
That's
true.
right.
Yeah.
They will
Head
remember
burnt
that.
face 10.
Just spend your time in the aircon in the car. It's amazing.
I love that. We're going to go glamping. Yeah, we're going to go out and have a cool time in the car
yeah.
for an hour because it's
Yeah.
too hot.
Actually, we were all just like, oh, man. Because Jen's hapu airs too, and baby was grumpy. We are all sitting in the car like, yes.
Question back to glamping. Do you cook in that tent or is it a separate cooking facility?
Oh,
Because
there's
the
just a
power is
barbecue.
is
No, there's no
electric.
power.
Oh.
But they have like all the glamping tents have their own separate barbecues.
Oh, so there's
and
no
you s-
power source at
Nah, and you still have to like
all. Oh.
like take your own water.
No, we're not going.
Take your own water, and then you still like have to like figure out your own way to get hot water to wash your dishes and all of that. Yeah,
There's no hot water.
no. Well, there's showers. Yeah, there's showers, like hot showers, but not
Yeah,
like
but
hot
there's-
for
there's
doing
still
the dishes.
A little bit of tanga camping in there.
Yeah, so it's not like all the way. It's like in between.
Karipaku?
Yeah, there's a flushing toilet in there.
Okay.
Yeah, but separate. Like there's
Like
one
communal.
toilet for everyone.
Ah.
Yeah, I hate communal.
We're so bougie. Like I'm
Oh, it
thinking
sounded
glamping.
great.
There's like a, a self-contained
Yes, I
kitchen
did
in
too.
there
I thought there was a
and
kitchen.
Oh,
a
yeah.
private bathroom.
Yes.
No,
and a
it's,
shower.
It's halfway in between. Like, so if it was like glamping was way up here and then camping was way down here, it'll sit like kind of just over the middle into glamping.
Okay.
I would say.
Barbecue,
I still
that's
like the
cool.
look.
I think I'll still do it, but you got to take your own hot water or make your own hot water.
Yeah. We were like getting
Make
water.
it.
Yeah, we were boiling
Like,
water.
Get stones and some flint and make it.
And to take Tatiana's like, Luca Marcia, like, absolutely not.
Thank you, Tatiana.
You were
No.
spot on there.
My whole thing is when I get to a place of like a location, a hotel, motel, no matter what star it is, I always ask, is there a concierge available?
Oh, kira.
And if they say no, you go,
What's a concierge?
Oh, see, you don't know.
Yeah.
No, concierge is when they do everything.
Oh, okay.
Take your bags, book your table, pick you up, ring you in the room.
Yeah, but don't you take your mum?
Well, I brought my own thing because you guys don't have one.
You're all going to get a slap.
There's a concierge at Tariwa Road.
Yeah, but no. That's Tatiana's on.
Okay. I've never had one of those.
Yeah. See, my glamping is all the way resort hotel, but can have like a canopy.
Yes.
And I'm like, I'm camping.
I'm with you.
Oh, so your hotel with a Kathmandu gazebo in front of your hotel.
Just on the deck awning.
I think I need to check it out though because it looks.
it looks
like
very cool.
it would, like you wouldn't want to stay there too long. Like it would be cool. It's cool for like an overnighter. Like if you went to go for like an evening and then overnight and then
Especially with your makeup, you've got two boys.
Yeah. Oh,
They
they
love
loved
the water.
it. Yeah.
It
was stressful with
just
the
watch
bubba.
them from your campsite.
What's it called again?
It's the Adrenaline Park.
Just Adrenaline. That's
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, Whangarei Adrenaline Park. Go check it out. Their glamping tents are amazing. And obviously they've got the biggest inflatable obstacle course in the country.
Wow.
So it's massive. It's crazy.
Mm.
And they keep adding to it all the time. So go check it out. Adrenaline Park.
It might
Adrenaline
be
Park.
this thing that Generator is saying, make start new traditions Te Wao Te Krihimete, so that might be one.
Yes.
Ah, yeah.
Yes. So.
Nah.
Teach your kids the true meaning of Christmas.
Oh,
Cheese
balls.
Just stay home.
Sounds stupid.
Okay.
Spend the money. No later whānau ko huki tātou ki te mito te rohe. After that, we have our news from Wātea. But keep it locked, whānau, because as you know, we have
12 days of Christmas!
So we're giving away those prizes. So keep it locked. Make sure you keep it locked. No reira, kaua huri ki te hana ki Ngati Hine FM.
On the wall, Rastafari sit up on his throne. In my house, there's a picture on the wall, Rastafari sit up on his throne. He sits upon a seat of justice, with red, gold, and green wrapped around him.
Nau mai haere mai ki te whare haura o ngā tihine. Kia wero a koe ki te rongoa ārai ma te kowhiori, tuatahi, tuarua, tuatoru rānei.
Ka puare ngā kuaha o te whare o Torongare mai i te iwa ki te whā, mane ki te praere.
Me he mea he āwanga he pātai rānei au, haere ki www.nhht.co.nz.
Waia mai ki kore waru kore kore, rua whetū rua, whā waru, whā rua.
We know it's been a hard year, and the pressure only gets worse around the holiday season. If you find yourself in a situation where you feel like you may hurt a loved one, please stop, take a breath, and walk away. Don't do something you'll regret later. For advice and support for men, call Hey Bro on 0800 439 276 or the Family Violence Information Line on 0800 456 450. If you think someone is struggling, please step up and say something. You could save a life.
Kia ora, my name's Steve and I am a stevedore foreman here at Hort Company. I'm proud to say that I'm vaccinated. I was vaccinated because I have a 4-year-old granddaughter living with me at home, and the last thing that I'm home.
Getting vaccinated helps protect the people you love. To talk to someone about getting vaccinated, call 0800 28 29 26 or visit covid19.govt.nz.
Get Get your first, second, or booster shot with Ngāti Hine Health Trust.
Our Tōrangare Vaccination Centre is open from 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. Monday to Friday.
Check out our website www.nhht.co.nz
Or call us on 0800 272 4842 for more info. Yahoo!
Kia hiwara, e whai ake nei ko ngā pito pito kōrero. E ngā iwi o te motu tēnā koutou katoa, Scotty Morrison tēnei me ngā upoko kōrero o te wā nā te pūtea tautoko a te māngai pāho. E whai ake nei e tiwi, he tikanga Māori no whakapata e whakamahi ana ki te whakaora i ngā roto moana o te rohe o te arawa. Ka tiro whakamuri i tētahi o ngā kaitōranga pū Māori ki tōna tau tuatahi i roto i te whare pāremata me ngā hā kinakina e whai ake nei. He tikanga Māori no te tūwa uriuri no te tā uki e whakamahi ana ki te whakaraura ake i ngā roto moana o te rohe o te arawa. Ana, no ngā wiki nei, ka hora i ngā kairuku he whāriki harakeke e kia nei ko te uwhi ki te papa o te roto moana o te roto iti ki te ai e ihinga. Tuatahi kia tāmi i te tupu mai o ngā tupu kino i mauria mai ai e te Pākehā ki konei tuarua ki ora mai anō ai te taupori koura. Hei tā Jim Schuster o te rōpū raranga o Rotorua, he mea hou tēnei momo āhuatanga, engari he mea tawhitoke. Hei tāna i ngā wā o mua i whakamahia ngā uwhi nei e ngā tūpuna, ara ki te whakawhiti i ngā repo, ki te kohi ake i ngā raupo. Nā wairāka ki te rātau ka tāmi ngā uwhi nei i ngā tarutaru kino e tipu ake ana i roto i te repo. Ana ka whakamahia e te iwi o te arawa i aia nei ki te tāmi i ngā tipu kino o te wā i roto i ngā roto o te arawa. Nā, koe te tuki i a te anau tui ono o te rōpū kākāriki, tōna tau tuatahi i roto i te whare pāremata. Kia te huri ake tātou, ki ona whakaaro, ki te tau ko takoto.
Ia, o te matiki o te horopaki o te matihurita, me ona peki, me ona heke, me ona korotehi, me ona whai oranga mo tata katoa, no ere i ai ki te kore hara tēnei te whare pāremata pera ki ea i mui a mata. Hoi no ko tērā te heri o tō tātou me ao, i te meka te whakaro ki nā te heri o te ao. Huarangi, koe nei nā tau i orana nei tātai, tēnei wa nui nā kapapa.
Hoi anō ora ki anoho tonu ki tō tōranga pū, hei tā Christopher Luxon, kai ho i te rōpū nā hinara. Kuia o tira ko rāua ko tana tuarua Nicole Willis te tīmatanga ho mō nā hinara. Engari kei te rere te pātai kāhara rāua, kāhara ia no te iwi Māori. Hei tāna ko te whanaungatanga tētahi mea nui ki aia ara me pēhea te whakawhanaunga atu ki te iwi Māori. Hei tāna i pērā ia i aia e tā huhu rangapū ana i Araraurangi Aotearoa, ara i kaha ki te whakawhanaunga atu ki te iwi Māori. I pātaitia ia ka pēhea nei ngā tūru tōranga pū Māori roto i te whare pāremata i ki aia mā te poari o nā hinara e whakatau me nā ka kōkiria nā hinara i te whakakoretanga i te whakaoranga rānei o ngā tūru tōranga pū Māori. Hei tāna ko te tūmanako ia kia pōti te iwi Māori ki aia i te mea i te wā e kāwanatanga ana a nā hinara i tino whanake te iwi Māori i roto i ngā kaupapa pēnei i te whakatau o ngā tiriti o Waitangi tai atu rā hoki ki te tino whanaketanga o te ohanga Māori i raro i a nā hinara. Hei tā te tarahitia motu o Waitangi i kāre rātau i te whakae kia tai te marea ki te papa o Waitangi a te rātau mo te rā o Waitangi. Hei tā rātau ka tahurike ki te purangi ki te whakahaere i ngā whakamānawatanga o te rā. Hei tātou ko te haumarutanga o ngā manuhiri, ngā kaimahi me ngā whānau o te hapori te mea nui i tēnei wā o te kōwhiori. Hei tā te hea mana, hei tā pita tipene, he wā hou tēnei, he ao hou tēnei. Nō reira me aro tau me whakarereke kia noho ora tonu ai te tangata. Ia tau ko tōna 35 mano tāngata, ka pōi atu ki Waitangi mo te rā o Waitangi o tira te wiki o Waitangi i te marama o Hue Tangaru. Tika ana kia whakanuia, kia whakamihia, te hunga, kei te muru o te ahi o te kōwhiori e mahi ana haioranga mō tātou katoa, koe rāta Hera Kinred.
Nō reira, ko tēnei kaupapa, ko ngā mihi. He kaupapa whakamiha, he kaupapa whakamanoa, he mea whakanuia i ngā ringa raupa, e whakapaukahana i ngā marama kua taha. Kia tae ai te nuinga tau te noho motu, e noho rahui ana ki te kāinga i ngā riko ina i ringa raupa, e mahi ana i ngā mahi. Kia whai maru tātou katoa.
E whai ake nei e tiwi ko ngā tai pito korero hā kene kina.
I mohio koe nui ake I te 200,000 tāngata Māori e whakamai ana, whakapātu te tauareanga I nā ia tonu nei. Ka tāia e Māori Media Network te whakahaere tō tika tō pānuitanga hoko huri I te motu nei. Mo e te hirero anō e pāna ki tēnei kaupapa tukuhi mera mai kia mātua Māori Media Network. info@maorimedia.co.nz Taua I mera anō info@maorimedia.co.nz
Aha kua te nui o te matungurungurutanga o te marea I te whakakoretanga o te whakataetae wakaama o te motu a tērā tau. E marama pū ana te nuinga heahi pērā I te whakatau. Hei tātu wakaama aha kua te uaua o tēnei whakatau ka kaha tā rātou tūpana ake anō. Hei tā tahuri a tūmoana kai hoi wakaama mai rāno. Me hoi tonu I roto I te ngahau me te pāreka-rekatanga hei tēnei raumati nei I rungi I te mōhio hei te tau 2023 ka hui anō te hapori wakaama. Hei tā Lara Collins tā huhu rangapū o wakaama Aotearoa. Ko ngā tauranga mo te kano āraitanga o te iwi Māori, tai atura ki ngā tamariki e kano ārai kore ana I tēnei wā, e tahi āhuatanga I a te whakaarohia e rātou I roto I tā rātou whakatau kia whakatārewa hia te whakataetai ki te tau 2023. Hoi anō rei tiwi koe ranga hā kina kia ora.
Nā no reire te motu, mā wāt, mā te reo, te whakamārama.
He mea tautoko
nā te māngai.
99.6 Whangarei, te mita o te rohe, Ngāti Hine FM.
Tua iti. Tua iti. Yay!
Tuaiti, e hōtaka mo ngā kōhunga taitama ki hoki. Taka pāpāho tia I ngā rātapu pitu kraka. E paki waitara he pūrākau, ngā waiata kōhanga reo, e wahanga hoki ka whai wāhi atu kia koutou ngā whānau, tukua mai I ngā mahi haka hira o a koutou tamariki, aha koa te aha. Ka pohia wa koutou tamariki, e waiata ana, e whai kōrero ana, e haka ana, tonoa mai kia mātou, kia haka putaina, mā te ei hōtaka atu aiti.
Yay!
If I get hurt, who's going to help Uncle bait his hooks? Who's going to teach the kids next door to surf? Who's going to score all the tries at the touch tournament? Who's going to feed?
Have a and ask yourself, if you get hurt, who gets harmed? Find out more at acc.co.nz.
Need my mask and my phone. Wait, there's my phone. It's in my hand.
Heading out? Remember, mask, scan, pass. You're good. United. COVID-19.
Under the COVID-19 traffic lights, roles will require vaccination. To help employers and employees work together to make this happen, there's also been some updates to employment law. For example, provide employees with reasonable time off so they can get vaccinated to help keep everyone safe. For more information and other updates on vaccination and the workplace, please visit employment.govt.nz. That's employment.govt.nz.
Get your first, second, or booster shot with Ngāti Hine Health Trust.
Our Taurangare Vaccination Centre is open from 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. Monday to Friday.
Check out our website www.nhht.co.nz
or call us on 0800 272 4842 for more info.
Yahoo!
Ngāti Hine FM. Tau mārere here I te riri.
Iwa te kauma iwa ira ono ki whangareina, iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tu atu I hikurangi morena, e te iwi!
Oh. There we go.
Don't come around here. Yeah, don't come around here and with your little choo. Nah, bro. Nah, you gotta you gotta go all the way.
How are you gonna do it? Give us like a run through. Give us a breakdown of how to do it.
First syllable sound is chur. And then and then the goes up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yo, ooh.
Yeah. Your who's a bit off. You gotta look down on the who.
It comes down on that who.
Yeah, now every time I hear that ad, I'm like, what is that?
You're welcome. You're
Yeah.
welcome.
If it's gonna be that soft, she needs to change it to a foo.
Yeah, just foo. Yeah, that's alright, but not a choo. Nah, that's lackluster.
Alright, no mai hoki mai ki eare mara ke kone mātai tainoa ki te iwa karaka, and this hour we've got a jam-packed show
We do.
with the Mauna Koe, Iti Te Kupu, and 12 Days of Christmas! But before we get into that, let's get into the weather.
Oh, you always make me forget. It's like, one job, Luke, one job.
Flip it on me.
You always make me forget.
Yes, it's currently a high of, what is it today?
Of forgetfulness.
It's a
Currently high.
of-
Cloudy in your mind.
Oh, so it comes up with countdown ads.
Pay for that.
Pay for your bill.
I don't even go to count. What is this? Right. Look, it's gone up one whole degree since we last spoke about the weather. It's currently 17.5 degrees. That's quite a lot of degree temperature change. Is that the word? I'm tired.
Awesome.
Quite a lot of degree temperature change.
Thank you. I'm so glad we got into the weather.
It's currently 17.5 degrees. It should feel like 18. And
It's
Tamaki
still
Kokoda,
talking
though,
degrees.
it is 18 degrees. And it's a high today in Te Whangaone Pai Kohiga Kurutai of 26 degrees, which we all know is about 29 degrees. It's cloudy with partly light wind, and 8:39 p.m. is your romantic walk with the sun setting.
Kia ora. Ki ngā tai o whangarei. High tide will be at 10:30. Low tide 4:30. High tide again 10:30 tonight.
Speaking of tides, speaking of high tides, then low tides. Well, who creates high tides, then low tides?
It is.
Kia ora anō tātou. Nau mai hoki mai ki tēnei wahara e ki ane ko māramataka. Otira, te sexy māramataka. I nā pua i haere i wahu i taku whare. I kōrero atu ki ahina. Tēnā koe te tuahina. Tēnā tuku noa te mai. Tō mātauranga. Ki runga ia. Mea mai ki au. Tēnā koe te teina. Ko te wahanga o tēnei marama ko takirau. Ko takirau te wahanga o tēnei marama. He tini ngā kai, engari, he iti te kai. Kua te tini o te kai, he iti te kai.
Coming to you with a good old flat tucker. Takira, gina.
Ko mai.
He hua, nui ngā hua, he iti.
Ko wai.
Ngā hua
Takira.
at the same time.
Yeah.
Kia ora.
He tini ngā hua, engari, he iti.
Kia ora rā.
Kia ora.
Ora rā.
It's iwi.
Still to come with the music lineup, we've got 911. Let's go. We've also got Eddie's. Next, we've got Iti Te Kupu, but right now, it's the Black Seeds. Cool me down.
Call me.
Ka wahuri ki te ana ki e whanau ngā Tihini FM.
From the hillside to the sea, let your love wash over me. Oh yeah. Over river, mountains high, watch it drifting through the sky. Tide rolls out, tide rolls in, let your love inside begin to grow. Let it bloom into something beautiful. cool me down, 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 cool me down. Let your love wash over me. Let your love wash over me. Wash over me. Feel your seasons changing me. Winter fires, autumn leaves. Yeah. Sweet sunrise is what you bring. You shine your light for all to see. Yeah. Tide rolls out, tide rolls in. Till love inside begin to grow. Let it bloom into something beautiful. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Something beautiful. Come on, just cool me down, 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 cool me down. Baby, just cool me down, 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 cool me down.
Raumati. Hamai.
Mainga, Whāmere Hararei Safety mea nei. I ahu mai ngā hararei nōhia, mo te aha. Anyways, whether you're on hararei or holiday or not, there's heaps of peeps around at the mo, especially here in Te Tai Tokerau. You've heard it all before, no doubt. Be safe, don't do this, don't do that. Nō reira, mohi ana koutou what's good and what's not. So don't be that guy or gal. Nera. Remember to keep your eye on tamariki nea ora, whether you are by the moana or awa, even a little waikiri. Keep an eye on tamariki and even other peeps' tamariki, because they're all our tamariki tutiaki. When we're around water, keep your eye on tamariki. It only takes a split second for them to get in trouble near water. Be te mene and watch out for our tamariki around wai. Whāmere Hararei Safety mea nei. You're welcome.
Ngāti Hine FM.
He mea tautoko
nā te māngai.
Mai ngā rekereke o parihaka maunga ki te awa o hātea putatu ki te whanga rei te terega prawa atu ki te ao Ngāti Hine FM. E ara e mara.
Yes, e ara e mara.
Ira, nai mai hoki mai.
Yes, no more hooky mai. And let's hit him with some details for this because I'm excited because I missed the last giveaway.
Oh, here it is! I love it! Give me time!
Is it Rudolph? Is that you?
It's the Mo
wonderful time of the year.
Ding dong!
The kids jingle belling and
everyone bowing to be a good cheer.
You're right. Did you get whatever was under your arm?
What is that?
Yes, that's right, Fana. As you know, the crew's been giving away gifts left, right, and centre just because, you know, that's just the type of people we are. Just, you know, give
The time of the
to
Let's go.
Oh, kia ora.
Kia ora.
But
So humani.
yeah, so we're the most humani.
You've still got opportunities to get in there if you haven't. If you thought about it the last few days, going, "Oh, should I do it? What's a waste of my time?" No, just takes one share, one follow, one like,
That's
one
right.
boom, and you're in.
And you're in the draw, and we've been giving away prizes all over the place, like Soil and Sand gift package, My Tayao, Luke Bird, Birdman experience, merchandise, all
That's
of that
right.
stuff.
Hello Pickle voucher.
Hello Pickle voucher. And we've still got heaps more to give
Heaps.
away. Pack and Save voucher, Common Grounds Fitness.
Hey,
just so much I can't even think of it.
And
and
if
then
you-
also dinner with the crew catered by
Frat Boy Barbecue. Yeah, Freddy Boy. So good. I can't wait.
Yeah.
That's for you and 4 of your friends or whānau. And
Yes.
the 4 of us, including on January the 21st is the Fat Boy Barbecue.
Oh, it's January. That's right, folks. So you don't only win, you
We
win,
win,
but
you
also
win.
win as
That's
well.
right.
Cool.
Question. If
Cool.
you have won a prize recently and we have
Hola.
reached out to
Hola.
you and we
I
have
don't
tagged you into the prize, can you please reply back so we can get your address so we
Yeah,
can send it
so
to
we
you?
can send it to
Otherwise,
you.
read your
Otherwise, I'm rewrapping it and giving it to someone for secret Santa.
Because we have tagged you in
Otherwise,
prizes.
we win.
Yes. It's 15 days of Christmas because the other ones didn't get picked up.
Right, so get on our social media platforms. Make sure you share us and I like it. We want to be like we follow us on ages.
That's
Yeah.
right. The more followers we have, the more opportunity you get to win more prizes.
Exactly, because as we build a following, more businesses want to give us free stuff, and then if more free stuff comes to us, it goes to you.
Oh, it's a circle of life.
Eat on your money. That's
So
the circle
next
of life.
part of this Swaga é e te reo Māori, a koa nei te reo Māori. E te kupu, yeah.
Call it blowback, call it blowback. I love this song!
Do you like, you've said it so much that you just love the song because
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like the routine. Like, yeah.
Because now I'm just like, oh, it's that song.
Yeah. You're like, actually heard the whole song? It's not that great.
Yeah, actually, when you played it that time, I was like, oh, this is awesome.
Yeah.
No, that part's my favourite part.
Kia ora.
Anyway, thanks for
Alright.
noticing.
E te kupu he wahanga e ki ana i te kupu whakarite, Māori metaphor or simile. And today's one is ringa tōhau nui.
Oh.
Ringa tōhau nui.
Ai, ko te kupu tōhau, he tohu tō i runga i te o, he tahi te kupu.
Ah, tōhau.
Ko tahi te kupu.
Tōhau. He ringa tōhau nui.
Ai,
So, big hands on.
that's right. Ko te
Ah,
pāpai, he ha te tōhau.
Ha te tōhau. Ho, H-A-U?
H-A-U.
Tōhau.
As in,
Why is it like whakatō?
Whakatō.
i te ha.
Ho.
Has it got something to do with like the plentiful hand, like the hand that gives?
It's,
No.
good sense.
Nah, that's not giving me much. You're like,
He aura tata ki te ringara,
Ah, okay.
which is, can you remember?
Yeah,
Hard-working
hard
hands?
working, calloused hands.
Yes, so ko te raupa ai, ko te callous
Calluses, yeah.
Iari ha te tōhau.
is this like the opposite of that?
Ka hore.
Ah, someone does nothing.
Yeah, it's heading up mā kuha kuha.
E te
that's
iwi
right.
nui tonu
Mākoha.
ki te
Tōhau.
taitoke rau, ki te motu whānui. Mo he ana koutou te kupu tōhau.
Yes, tēnā whakamohio mai hea te.
I'll give them 10 seconds. So, Tōhau, I've never heard it before.
Sarah Kay, can you help us out with
But
Tōhau?
I'm going to give you a Tīwhiri.
Oh, here we go.
William Wairua. He always uses this word when he works out.
Oh.
He's like,
morale.
yeah, there's morale. And what's the one where he's working out and he's all hot? What does he say?
I don't know.
Oh, nah.
Anyway, here's Sweaty.
Sweaty hands.
Bringing the energy.
Wet hands. Sweaty hands.
Me te ki te mōhau, ka haore.
Oh.
Engari, paitera. He tika koe.
Sweaty hands.
Sweaty hands.
So,
Tōhau is perspiration.
Ah, perspiration. So Tōhau, perspiration. So it would be then just the same or similar to he ringa raupa because the hands are perspiring.
Because you're working hard.
Nā te kahao tana mai.
Kia ora.
Nā te nuio ana mai.
Whakamārama.
So literally sweaty hands, te whakamārama, an industrious person.
Oh.
So a hard-working person.
Hardworking.
Industrious.
Mahiana.
I sweat. My hands get sweaty. So
what can it be for someone who gets nervous easy?
Well, it's just on a cue card, and that's all they've given me. So I'm going to say yes.
Because you know how people get nervous and their palms get.
I'm going to say no to that.
Anxiety.
But I am going to say
knees
tērā
weak,
pea
arms
i
are
te
heavy.
wā e hiki mai tai ana kōrua.
Mm.
E te wā e tōhau ana tērā pea.
Oh.
So, i ki te koe, i ki te au ia kōrua, ki te
Tō ringa.
whare hiki mai. Hara mai, tōhau.
Yeah.
Me he tōhau ringa kōrua.
Yes.
I
don't even know that that's correct.
But I get very tōhau.
Yeah.
At the gym.
As long as you're not talking about the tōhau from your.
Ringa tōhau nui.
Ringa.
Ki te taku ankara i te marae mahi anei pōpō te ao. Ringa tōhau nui.
Oh, yes, we know who those
heading
are.
up. Yes. We
Ringa tōhau.
Yeah. How was that, Ringa kōrero?
Ringa kōrero te nā whakarongo mai.
That was just like a ukulele, just a bit off.
Yeah.
We just got to tighten up those
Yeah,
screws.
can we try again?
About that, Ringa kōrero.
Yeah.
Ringa kōrero te nā whakarongo mai.
There we go. Very good. Thanks, sports music.
Yeah, thank you for tuning that. Horses sweat, men perspire, and ladies glow.
Actually,
what I
that's so
like to call
true. That is actually true. The women at my gym, they're like, I'm sweating. I'm like, you're not sweating. It's just
You're
a glow. Because they don't drip like, dripping like I
But what
drip.
about like you drip, just drip? Not even working out.
Not now.
So what if you're not even working? You're just naturally sweaty.
Yeah, do you get to be heading
Like,
out to
you're not working. You're just sweaty.
I'm working right now. I'm working really hard.
Yeah,
Being
I don't
fabulous.
sweat much at all. So I'll be like the
Don't
opposite.
you?
Nah.
Oh.
People always like after every workout, I'm dead on the floor and they go, "Oh, don't even look like you worked out." Why? I'm literally starfish on the floor, but because I don't sweat much, they're like, "Oh, did you even work out?" Like I haven't
Shut
hit 11 million times.
Yeah. Then he sweats out of his eyes.
I go home and sweat out my eyes to Jen. They said it again. Did you even work out?
Back it out.
And they
Back
all
it
laugh
out.
together.
The only way to settle that, hop on the bars.
Can you lift more than me? Can you lift more?
All right, that's Iti Te Kupu. It was Iti today.
Yes.
Kia no kia kia no tātou ki te mita o te rohe. That at ease. Let's
Yes,
go.
getting stronger.
Oh, look
Aye.
at that. There's a tune.
Eki mai tai ana. Te he ringa tōhau nui.
He wau huri ki te ana kia whanau. Because we're out here. The ringa tōhau nui i are e mana. Hatini FM.
Listen to me, I'm feeling afraid of something in my life that is wrong. And you're trying to tell me that I'm okay. Don't worry because I am strong. I know it gets hard sometimes, but remember that I'm only human. And the things that I face are the same things that you can help me to nobody else. I don't need somebody else to tell me about love. I am strong on my own. But if you think you can tell me why the things I'm doing is going wrong, it's just me getting stronger.
Well, I'm here to tell you that I'm okay. That with or without you, I'm the same. But don't get me wrong, I'm still waiting for the day when we can say we went all the way. Life is about all the meaningful things that we get to share with each other. So leave the past behind and each other will find our love is stronger again.
I don't want nobody else. I don't need somebody else to tell me about love. I am strong on my own. But if you think you can tell me why the things I'm doing is going wrong, it's just me getting stronger. I don't want nobody else. I don't need somebody else to tell me about love. I am strong on my own. But if you think you can tell me why the things I'm doing is going wrong, it's just me getting stronger. It's just me getting stronger. It's just me getting stronger.
Tere atu ana I te awa o Hōteo, Ngā Tihine FM.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira oro ki whāngarei nei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tūatu I Hikurangi Morena e te iwi.
Moto, and the whare.
Mai te hurihanga o ka wharu. Ngā Tihine FM.
Mai te reke reke. Hakamunga. Rere atu ki te awa o hātea. Puta atu ki te ao. Eara e mara.
Mai ngā miti o taku hanuiti. Ngā Tihine FM.
Yeah, you go.
Oh, you know meaty now after the sickle that we had this morning. My E.
Ngā muturo o hātea.
Ai, mai te wharetapu o ngā puhi. Mai ngā paimaunga. Tatu atu ana ki mua I tō aro e te iwi. That was Cax. Ngā Tihine FM.
Ngā Tihine FM. Tēnā no tātou. So, soon we'll be drawing the prize for
12 Days of Christmas!
Yes, that's right. 12 Days of Christmas, and I don't know. I'm trying so hard on the voice, I can't even think of words to say.
Let me laugh.
But I do know what time we've come to right now, Tiwi.
Yes.
One of Luke's faves. Nā wai tika. Patua matua.
Well, I've got the facts or the cacks. I'm just going to get there.
You've
one
got
moment.
both.
Here we go.
I'm telling you.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh,
is that right?
So this is facts number 275. Now, some of you think you know better when you're singing songs and you know more than you think you do. But according to a study, you are not you two. You are more likely to keep mishearing a song lyric if the misheard version is funny.
That makes so much sense. Yeah.
You will always think
Jingle band.
Jingle band. Yeah, that is misheard lyric.
Jingle band.
Batman smells.
Yeah, or like, oh man, I can't think of any off the top, but there's always ones you just make up words to because you just didn't know actually what, especially Michael Jackson songs. I feel like yeah.
What is the extra one? I know there's people like, this is what he says, and then I'm like,
I've heard two. I've heard one and they're like, nah, he says, I'm saying what I'm saying, I'm not gonna stop. I'm saying what I'm saying, I'm not gonna stop, like that.
Yeah.
And then the other one is that Mama say Mama sa Mama kusa is just another language.
Yeah.
And then that's what he's saying.
Yeah.
Mama say Mama sa Mama kusa. Because Rihanna used it in one of her songs.
Yeah. I'm going with the Mama Say, Mama Say.
Yeah, me too.
You are most likely to keep mishearing a song lyric if the misheard version is funny.
Kia ora.
Wow.
I suck at lyrics anyway.
Well, I used to think that song that goes, the more problem, the more money we something, the more problems we see. I always thought as a kid when I was 12 when that came out, I thought it was a Māori song. And I thought it was, the moana iwi people have the moana iwi see.
Yeah. It is. Yes, you're more likely to retain misheard lyrics if they are tino ranga tira tanga lyrics.
I always thought it was Māori words.
Crack up. The more problems we come across, the more problems we see.
Rowena Dunn's got, I believe in miracles, I believe in America.
Oh, yes.
I believe in America. Hey,
It's,
where you come?
Yes.
Do sex things.
I believe in America. That's old, what's his name? The Laughing Samoans. He sang that song like that, yeah. That's how I go. I believe in America. Yeah.
Okay.
I got one here.
Kia ora.
Did you know that if you were to dive 30 feet underwater, I don't know how long that. How much is that in meters? Does anyone
30
know?
feet.
30 feet.
15 meters. I don't know. I just doubled it.
Is it half? Yeah. So 30 feet underwater, there is no light.
Okay.
So your blood appears green.
Wow.
Yeah. So if you were to bleed underwater at that depth, it'll look green because there's no light to refract to make it look red.
Oh, refract.
Yeah. That's a word.
The lyrics.
I was thinking maybe that's a real word, but what's refract?
Refract.
It's like when you see your fraction in the mirror.
It's refract. I'm sticking by.
No, I wouldn't even know.
Don't you come at me, Stifler.
Right, my one is this day in music history. Back in 2014, Sir Elton John and his partner David Furnish formally converted. Is it converted? Yeah, converted their civil.
Wait, Auntie Maud. Refract is correct. Thank you, Auntie Maud. Thank you. I was honestly knew she was on a comment. I was waiting for it. Like, come on,
I'm a hero, Mum.
Exactly.
Back it up.
Leave him alone. He needs a cuddle.
Auntie Maud, the angle of light bouncing off. Refract.
Thank you. The
Thank
lights
you.
in my eyes.
The refraction is too much.
Refraction. I know your father.
You need to go in the corner and refract about it. All right, okay. Elton John and his partner David Furnish formally converted their civil partnership, hosting a ceremony at their Windsor Estate in Berkshire. David and
was Elton
Victoria.
John gay?
David and Victoria Beckham, Ed Sheeran, Lulu, and actor David Williams were among the guests. Cool, Marcia. Awesome.
Among the guests.
Well, I thought you like it, like, because it's Sir Elton. And I said some royal stuff in there. And,
I was listening. I thought it was reverting.
Elton.
I've got these are
He
facts.
married a guy.
I've got some facts, but they're kind of a bit dull, a bit dark. Did you know?
No reflection on him.
No. A blind. No, I won't go that one. Prescription drugs, so as in like Panadol and Nurofen and all those kind of things, actually kill more people in the world than heroin and cocaine combined.
Oh wow!
Oh
yeah, it's amazing.
Wow.
But also, just on the tail end of that, don't go and do heroin.
Yeah,
just saying.
Don't be like, I got a headache.
I don't know. It just says it.
Probably
it's a study done.
It must be just overdose, like people going too hard on it.
Yeah. Okay.
I got this one here to just like pick it up out of the depths of that darkness.
Yeah, kia ora.
Thank you.
An average woman smiles 62 times a day. An average man only smiles 8 times a day.
I can believe it.
Yeah. Not today.
It's like, back it up.
Back it up.
1, 2, 3. I'm gonna overdo.
Yeah,
my...
look, you just went 3 and over it. It's true.
Oh, that's enough.
Pauline Hoppen's got, I'm still holding on to my Elton John tickets, hoping for 2023.
Yes.
He ain't coming back, girl.
He ain't coming, girl.
I've got tickets too. He ain't coming back.
this is my final one, but there is a study done that says that you're when you're in a new relationship, the test of your new relationship is when you fart in front of someone. So this one says, shout out to all the new couples still holding in their farts. Oh, that's beautiful.
Right. You'd love that one, of course.
Here's another one. Oh, sorry.
No, cat's pie.
You've tried to another.
I've got a kind of funny one. I got one more. After you.
Oh, here's one.
Anytime.
Oh, sorry. Some of them are quite deep, and I'm like, I don't know if I want to say that, but maybe I just should. If you want to quit smoking, go to a sauna for 3 days in a row, and you'll sweat out the nicotine, which will make it easier for you to
I've
quit.
heard that too.
Oh, that makes sense because it'll sweat out all the
'cause
toxins.
All the
in it.
toxins
Yeah.
come out. But you need to go 3 days in a row and for 12-hour sessions.
Oh, is that what it says?
Live in it for 3 days.
Yeah. That's the
It also
simplest
comes
way.
out skinny.
Yeah. And malnourished.
Egari, it's a mutuga mai o te rā, like, that's in here. No.
And just don't start.
Yeah.
Like the new law coming in, just to touch on that again.
The
So
children one?
yeah, so in order for a whole generation to like make smoking less accessible to a whole generation, they've made it so every year as of 2025, the legal age to buy smokers will go up a year every year after that. So if you're 14 right now,
You won't be able to
you will
buy
never
them.
be legally old enough to buy them. Like obviously there still be access, but they're trying to minimize how accessible it
Yes.
is for those people.
There was another thing on
Which is
Parliament
pretty
TV
freaking
where they
cool.
were saying currently right now in New Zealand we have like, I'm just approximating it, like 5,000 outlets where you can buy cigarettes, and by next year I think it will be less than 500.
Wow, that's great.
That's huge.
That's great. And
Amazing.
also no smoking in cars with tamariki now. Smoking in vehicles with tamariki is now illegal.
Yes.
So honestly, smoking rubbish. Fucking rubbish.
get rid of it. I like the one though about the 14-year-old one. Like if
Yeah.
you're 14 now, you will never be able to ever legally buy cigarettes.
Yeah, exactly.
Ever.
That's great. That's their way of trying to make it so a whole generation will
Yeah.
never have easy access to it.
As this is taking me back to days where Auntie Cheryl took us for Northland Health to try buy smokes.
Oh, you were those.
Yeah.
Yes.
You go and sent into the shop, can I have some smokes? Me and Altony got given them every time. And every time you'd have to come out and fill a form, and I was like, no, just say no, I'm 12, man.
Or did you go back and go, sorry, you're undercover?
Now, well,
We're
some, like, we'll come out to the car park and, like, just see Auntie Cheryl be like, hold up the packet of smokes, like, you need to go talk to them. Then she'll go in and then she'll come out and then the owner's like, ooh, crying. And I'm like, oh, we did that. Yes, you did. Oh, come on.
It's great.
That happened to me when I used to do bouncers. What's the word I'm looking for? I was a bouncer at like nightclubs in Whangarei. Bouncer Castle. And that happened to us when I was working when it used to be Butter Factory used to have the upstairs and the downstairs. But usually there was a bouncer on each door. I was at the top, someone's downstairs. But on this one night, it was just me there because the other bouncer didn't show up. So I had to go. I'd be at the top, and then I'd come down the stairs and hang out the bottom for a bit, and then keep going back and forth. And while I was not on one of the doors, one of those people came through like you, and they ordered at the bar, got served at the bar. Because once you're in, you assume they're I assume bartenders would just assume.
Well, because you shouldn't be in.
You shouldn't be in there. Yeah.
The bouncer at the door should have stopped.
Yeah, exactly. And then so Rewi was the manager of the bar. So he ended up like almost getting fined like $10,000 being the manager on duty. Not that he served the drink, but he was the manager.
Shield's operation?
No, it wasn't. But Auntie Shield, I did think, had a word to some people about some stuff. But yeah, so I ended up getting fired. And I was like, we were short staffed. You know, I couldn't watch both those doors, but they were like, yeah, I know, but I have to look like I've
on
done
the camera,
something.
this one said, "How do you buy?"
Yeah, no, he was like, I know you weren't. It's not your fault, but we just have to because it has to look like we've done something. Because it was a part of the like deal. Was like, well, you have to do something.
Oh,
Yeah,
love it.
Phoenix. That is a random fact. And to whakamatu, Hari Huri Te Kia Koe, Hari Huri Te Kia Koe, Hari Huri Te Kia Koto. Hari Huri Te Kia Koe. Sika, I've only got one. It's going out to Waimarama Nisbet.
Oh, yes.
What is she now?
She is old. That means we're old.
She is 14.
I was just gonna say, here teenager today.
Yeah,
yes, because their papa passed when she was when she was born.
She's 14, so and already a better singer than her mother. Don't at me.
Oh my gosh! I feel
I'm
old.
adding you. I'm adding Koya.
Shout out to her whānau, the Kaka Nesbitt whānau. Love yous all.
Cool. Christmas photos, by the way.
Yes,
very
cool Christmas photos.
I tēnei wā kia kia no tātou ki te mita. Very shortly, we have 12 days.
I was ready.
We get it. You're fan.
I was ready.
We
That
have
was good.
12 days of Christmas.
Push the button, we're running out.
We're doing that now.
It's coming up next.
Take a song.
Push the button.
Right now, it's 911. Link's gonna need that for coming in early.
If death comes for me tonight, girl, I want you to know that I love you. And no matter how tough, only to you I would reveal my tears. So tell the police I ain't home tonight. Messing around with you is gonna give me life. But when I look into your eyes, man, you're worth that sacrifice. Yeah. If this is the kind of love that my mom used to warn me about, man, I'm in trouble. I'm in real big trouble. If this is the kind of love that the old folks used to warn me about, man, I'm in trouble. I'm in real big trouble. I need y'all to do me a favor. Someone please call 911. Pick up the phone, yo. Tell them I just been shot down, and the bullets in my heart, and it's piercing through my soul. I'm losing blood, yo. Feel my body getting cold. Someone please call 911. Pick up the phone, yo. The legend is selling is 5'1", and she shot me through my soul. Feel my body getting cold.
So cold. Sometimes I feel like I'm a prisoner. I think I'm trapped here for a while.
But I'm always right here.
Yeah. And every breath I fight to take. Yeah. It's as hard as these four walls I wanna break. I told the cops you wasn't here tonight. Messing around with me is gonna get you tied. Oh yeah. But every time I look into your eyes, man, it's worth the sacrifice.
If this is the kind of love that your mom used to warn you about, Larry, you're in trouble.
I'm in real big trouble.
You're in real big trouble.
Lord knows I'm in trouble.
If this is the kind of love that the old folks used to warn me about, I'm in trouble.
I'm in real big trouble.
I'm in real big trouble. You got anything to say, girl?
Someone please call 911. Yeah.
Pick up the phone, yo.
Tell them I just got shot down. Tell them I just got shot down. And it's piercing through my soul.
I'm losing blood, yo.
Feel my body getting cold.
Someone please call 911.
Can you do that for me?
The legend is selling
he shot me through my soul?
And he shot me through my heart.
Till my body
He didn't care, he didn't worry, he didn't wonder.
Why clever Mary J. Blige? Feeling love. I understand.
Iwa te kaimai iwa I rono ki whangarei nei te mita o te rohe Ngāti Hine FM. Someone called 911 because it's getting hot in here.
Nice.
Don't take off all your clothes, thank you. Engari e te iwi, you've been waiting for it, and it's time for
12 Days of Christmas!
You've been waiting!
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
It actually is. I love Christmas time.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, it means holidays, beach, swimming, whānau, overeating, oversleeping,
Overbuying.
overbuying. But I love it all. A little bit chaotic at times.
Yeah, today's busy.
But you gotta love it, and it's made even more special this year because we've
Yes.
decided to be like Koia Ellen DeGeneres, Koia Oprah.
Yeah, who
It's
you
Kia
are
Ora e
they?
Mara.
Throw them
With
away.
12 days of Christmas giveaways.
Yes. So how are we going to do it, Mars? Let's go for it. Let's go.
Oh, get it. All right,
Yes, here
all
we
you got to
go.
do is watch the online. Those of you on air, we're spinning an online window. That is the wrong one.
Let's see who won. Let's go.
The lucky winner today is going to be someone cool.
That one.
Wonderful time.
Oh my gosh, so many entries in there. If you just entered last night or this morning, you're in there.
Look at
so
that.
here we
It's
go.
the wheel of anxiety.
Here we go. Who won?
It's spinning, it's spinning. Here it comes. The winner for today's quiz. Da 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 da.
Kyle.
Oh, look at that.
Redraw.
Hey, another TV.
Oh, you just put her name in 500. That's what you did.
Yeah,
So, Kyle, what about you? Okay, let's see what you're going to win.
Okay.
Let's see what you're taking away.
Okay. Thank you, Marcia.
Thank you, Marcia. That's
So
right.
quick.
Ah,
on this.
congratulations, Kaya. You have won yourself a.
Da 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 da. Here it
Dinner with
comes.
If it's dinner with the crew, that'll be hilarious.
You have won the High-Tech Kapahaka merchandise.
She's gonna love it.
I don't know if you know. So Hati is a local kapahaka rūpuna, Kaya, that you may or may not have heard about.
No, you know, but you might. You actually love the merchandise.
That's
hilarious.
Brilliant. Well done, Kyle Hopper. You have won the High-Tech Kapahaka merchandise.
You know what that means, Kaya? It means you're not getting it.
You have won
Yeah.
some more uniform.
I love
That's
that.
funny.
I love that. You know, the funniest thing, Mum will be like, "Great."
Yeah, she went, that's awesome, Marcia. Oh, well
That's
done,
funny.
everybody.
Let's go.
Shout out to Kaya Hopa, who has just won herself Hatia merchandise from the Ropu that she is currently in, and more merchandise that she already has.
To be fair, there was quite a lot of our members
Yeah.
entering just for that.
Yeah, they're like, I want the jacket. I don't know.
That's awesome. Hey, you're going to be in to win it. She did. Well
That's
done.
funny. Shot, guys.
I sent us a message, Kyle.
It's as easy as that. It's iwi. If you want in, all you got to do is share, like, and comment, and tag your mate.
Yes. And then you're done.
That's great.
That's crack up.
That is hilarious. Love it.
Yes. Anyway, finally, shout out to Kaya Hopa, who is our winner for today. Hatia merchandise, her favorite. But we are almost, we're pretty much at the end of our show.
Huri te kai o te waka ki te koanga.
Ai, kua huri te kei o tātou waka ki te kāinga.
Ai.
Say it again.
But tomorrow we'll have more chances to win
12 days of Christmas!
As well as your daily dose of Aore Mara.
Yes.
Yo ano mai o mātou mō tēnei wā kia kaha.
Kia Maya.
Kia niwha.
Yes, enjoy Kaya Hopa. Enjoy your hearty mention.
Yes.
You bet.
Join us again tomorrow, whānau, for more laughs, more,
Love the
mistakes
song.
and everything. That's it.
Boy, I never knew I could feel the way I felt when I felt the way you were feeling me, baby. I'm so out of control, yeah. Every time you look my way, I realize more and more how much I adore those pretty eyes of yours. I'm helpless, baby. What I wanna know is, are you willing to try? Can you love me for a lifetime in just one night? Oh, baby, I love you, baby, I need you, I gotta have you, baby. Can't be without you, baby, I love you, yeah, baby, I need you, I gotta have you, baby. Can't be without you. Blessed and cursed on the same day that I first felt the power inside of me. Such a strong feeling. There comes a time in everyone's life when you know, and everyone around you knows, that everything has changed. You're not the same. It's a new day. Oh, what I wanna know is, are you willing to try? Gotta be more meaning to this than what meets the eye. Baby, I love you. Baby, I need you. Baby, I need you. Gotta have you, baby. I gotta have you. Can't be without you. Can't be without you. Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. Yeah, yeah. Baby, I need you. I gotta have you. I gotta have you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can't be without you.
Got your homework?
Yeah, got your phone, got your mask.